Meet SmartSize, your new AI Fit Recommender for Shopify. It's designed to help your customers find their perfect size, quickly, confidently, and without second guessing. If you're a Shopify merchant, this is for you. In this short video, we'll show you how it works. A shopper lands on your store, picks a product, and clicks Find My Size. SmartSize instantly launches a smooth guided fit quiz. They start by choosing their preferred units, metric or imperial, then enter 3 quick details: height, weight dot, and age. Next comes a set of easy, illustrated shape questions, like how their weight is distributed, their torso shape, and belly profile. Then we move on to bust fit. Shoppers can either enter their measurement directly or select their bra size, whichever feels more familiar. SmartSize supports multiple international sizing systems, so whether your customer is shopping from the US, Europe, or Japan, they're covered. With just this basic input, our AI does the rest. It calculates a size recommendation that's personalised, based on real body shape data and smart sizing logic. And we believe in full transparency. Customers can open the size chart and see exactly how their measurements stack up across different sizes. They'll know why a size was recommended and what the alternatives are. The result? Less guesswork, fewer returns, and happier shoppers who feel confident when checking out. And for you, higher conversion rates, fewer sizing questions, and reduced return costs. SmartSize integrates directly into your product page, adapts to your theme, and starts delivering value from day one. So whether your customers are new to online shopping or just tired of guessing their size, SmartSize gives them the clarity they've been looking for. Ready to remove the guesswork? Head over to Shopify's App Store, search for SmartSize, and choose our Recommender app. It's the logo with 1 big S and 2 mini stars. Brilliant. Now set SmartSize take care of sizing so you can focus on growing your business. If you have any questions, we're here to help at team@smartsize.io.